Look at this beautiful thick build elastomer deck here in where are we at? We're in Hebron. I call this Burlington, but technically the address is Hebron. Absolutely beautiful, stunning. This had an old like cedar colored stain on it that was really ugly, and now it's very beautiful. Take a look at these beautiful stairs. Take a look at this beautiful deck floor. I'm doing some touch-ups right now, but just turned out very stunning compared to what it was. Really pretty. Nice thick build. Coating on here now that can handle expansion and contraction. Splinter lock. You can run your hands across this. Right here is a perfect example. Before, if you would have hit this right here, you would have got all splintered up. Completely splinter locked now. Beautiful deal here in Hebron, Kentucky. I'm super happy for these people. They now have a lifetime limited warranty, lifetime service promise. We'll keep them as customers for life. I'm Anthony Ford with Kong Armor. I create the toughest decks on the planet today. Visit www.kongarmor.com.